Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mazda BT-50 XT dual cab ute, stock reference number 4867. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a P5 AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. P5 AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Has a set of aftermarket CSA 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear CSA 16-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right rear 16-inch CSA alloy mag, good tyre. Right power door mirror. Factory snorkel. Right front 16-inch CSA alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 4-wheel drive type, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.